Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create a business brochure. So first is you have to open your Canva application via app, or you can also open any web browser and then go to canva.com, and then you have to log in or sign up for an account. So in this video, I am going to create a brochure for salon. So first is you have to click on the design spotlight right here at the top left and then select brochures. Okay, and then once you've done that, you will then just have to click on create a brochure. Then right here, you'll be able to see different templates that you can actually use. And at the top, you just have to type out salon to be specific. And here, you just have to select one of these templates. So for example, this one. So if you want to use the pro templates, you can do that as well, as long as you subscribe to their plans. Now that we have selected our templates, we can also add page and add more template. Okay, so we can now start editing all of the elements that this template has. Okay, so we can replace this with our own text, on photos, and all the elements that we can see right here are free to edit. So let's change the color. So you just have to click on this icon right here, add a tab, and then select your own color. Okay, so you just have to select the color that you think is the best for your brochure. And then right here, you can also change the color of the text. Just have to click on that icon and then change the color. Okay, so for the second page as well, you just have to do the same. So you just have to highlight everything and then click on the color icon at the top and then just select the color that you think is the best for your brochure. Okay, and then we are going to change the color of the text as well. Just have to click on it and then change the color. Now we can also add elements. So you just have to click on this elements icon at the left side of your screen. So this one right here, and then using the search bar at the top, you will then just have to type out specific words, for example related beauty, and then you'll be able to see these different graphics that you can actually use for free, or if you subscribe to the pro plan, then you can actually use everything right here. So for this video, I'm going to show you on how to use some of the free features. So for example, this one, then you just have to click on it and you can actually change the color of that specific elements. Okay, so you just have to click on it, and of course you can also resize that element. Okay, so just like this one right here. Then for the transparency, you can adjust the transparency. So if you don't want it to be visible, then just have to adjust it. Okay, so like that. And now let's add more element. So let's try to look for another. So I'm going to use this free one. So to change the color, just click on that element and then click on the color button at the top and then select the color that is best for your element. Okay, so after that, you just have to resize it or drag it and place it anywhere you want. So for example, like this. And of course you want to adjust the transparency as well, so just click on the transparency icon and then you'll be able to adjust the transparency. Now if you want to upload your own image, you just have to go to the uploads button and then just have to select the image or images that you want to upload. Okay, so for example, salon, so you can also use the search bar at the top and then look for a related image. Okay, so just click that specific image, or you can actually drag it and put it right here in the first page or second page, and then you will then just have to adjust it and replace the existing image. Okay, so like this, and you can resize and expand that image. Just have to follow this step, and then after that I would like to change the image below as well and edit some of the elements. So using the search bar, I'm going to search for relaxed beauty, and I'll be able to see here different options that I can actually use. Now go to the graphics section, and I would like to add a graphics element right here. So I think I will be using this one. So let me just find a perfect graphics for this. So just for an example, if you would like to add a graphics, is just have to click on it and drag it, and then you can resize that specific graphics. Okay, and then you can adjust the transparency as well. So if you think you found the best graphics for your page or for your brochure, is you just have to click on it, and as long as you have subscribed to their pro plan, then you can access all of the features here on Canva. So for example, you would like to edit the text for this, you just have to highlight all of the text and replace it with your own words or text. So for example, relax beauty. Then you can also change the font of this, the color, and as well as the size of this text. Okay, so you just have to place it anywhere. And then right here, I like to change the text, the sections. You just have to click on it and then type out your own text. And once you're done, you just have to click on anywhere and that text will be saved. Okay, so let's go to the second page. So I'm going to try to edit some of the contact information. So of course, if you're planning to create a brochure, you have to make sure that you have the contact info. So you just have to use the search bar tab, and I'll be using a free logo for Instagram. Since we have an Instagram account for our salon, then it is best if you want to add some of the social media accounts to update or attract more customer. Okay, so you just have to simply click on that icon, and then you just have to resize it or place it anywhere. And for example, I would like to put this right here. So you have to make sure that the icon is visible so that everyone would be able to see it. Okay, then you just have to click on the text and you just have to type out your own. For example, a URL or just simply a username for your social media account. And then after that, you can also add a phone number, a Facebook account if you have. And after that, you just have to click on the share button at the top right, and then just have to click on download. And for the file type, it is best that you use the PNG, and then just click on download. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and once it's done, you just have to click on this file at a tab to see or to view your output. Okay, so for example, this is the page 1 and 2. Just have to select the 2 and simply click on enter, and you'll be able to see the images. Okay, so you have to make sure that your brochure is detailed as possible, including the contact information. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.